Hey everyone, and welcome to Stock Navigator Private Trading Room. Today is October 18, 2019. Let's take a look to see where the market heading to. So right now, at this moment, the S&P 500 is still in the bull trend. As you can see that right now, look at the daily chart. So we see that the market is still try to push it back up. The sell zone is waiting for them here, so we want to see how far they can go. But this one is definitely at the major resistance area. So yesterday they touch it, and then they pull back down, but they still hold up. So right now it's the indecision candle here. Okay, so let's see what they're going to do next when the market open. But if you look at the shorter time frame, yesterday the market they put it back up, okay, and then look like they do ABC, okay. So if they break about 3002 here, so we head to 2015 to 20 somewhere around here. Look at the white line here, okay. But if they go lower, then it means that wait for correction is not done yet. But eventually, we want to see, when the market open, they'll be able to break that level and break it out. That's where they headed to upper level here, okay, to complete the five-way move. If they don't do that, then we have to careful on the support level here, okay. So that's the trend direction for today. If you are day trade, you have to focus on that. And the YM is very similar, as you can see. YM is trying to find a way to push it back up also. So yesterday they put back at ABC here. Okay, so we want to see that this one is the first one here, and they go back here. If they break the trend line here, they will head up there. Okay, it's the same thing. If they break below, it means that the correction is not done yet. But seem like the momentum will still keep it very high at this level, so they try to put it back up to test the sell zone. The Dow have not touched the sell zone yet, so they still have some energy left to put it up to the sell zone. Okay, so that's for the Dow. For the NQ is the same thing. NQ is they be able to break the downtrend line, and now they hold it up very tight. You see they do the hammer, and then we need to see some bullet to put it back up to the sell zone and test it the upper bound. Okay, again, if they don't do that, then that will be a correction coming back up. So right now we're still in the final wave three to move up here. So in the shorter term, look like they do ABC overnight. If they check out this level here, okay, and then they go above this white line here, they will head to up here, okay, to finish the five-way move. All right, so that's for the NQ. For the Russell yesterday they were able to push it back up and then hold back there. And let's see, are they in the position that shoot it one more leg, or they have to do correction first? Okay, if they hold about this level, then it means that they still continue to go higher. Okay, they hit uh, to crawl up here. But if they don't, they break this line here, so it means that we fall still on the way. Okay, so we want to see that when the market open, what threshold they want to do here. Okay, so they touch here at the top, but they not break the low below here yet. So technically, they do find a way to push it if the other indices try to push it back up. Okay, for the oil is they are traveling between here, up here, and up here. So right now in the short term, you see the sell zone is waiting for them right here, and the support right here. So the buy zone here. Every time they touch it, they will buy. So this is a very solid foundation for the buy zone for the oil. So right now they travel between the sell zone and buy zone. So yet right now, but they are very close here. So if you long, then you have to be cautious. Okay. And then for natural gas, they push it up the first move. So look like right now they try to do a way fall down here. So if the break below, this is the support level for them right now. Okay, so this is the first time they pull up from the bottom. So they may finish it here, and then let's see they be able to hold up at this level, and then they turn around and go higher. It depends on they hold up at this level. If they take out the high here, okay, so this is the first move from the bottom. So if they hold up here, if they hold it high here, and then they revert, okay, they confirm that they go higher. If it not, it means that they still can push it back up and test the, the, the low end one more shot before they turn around. So watch out for this level on the natural gas. Okay, for the goal is like we say, the goal is still below this downtrend line. So technically it's still downtrend. So but right now we want to see that this one is the end that we see, or this one is just the first one and then continue to go low again to tap to the bottom of the box here. Okay, so but in the shorter term, you see that they try to find more momentum here, so we have to be careful. ABC, so they still hold up a bit or put back a level, but if they take this one low here, okay, then they will come down. But if they take this high here, and then we have to be careful. If that's where the people hedging for the market, and the market will go lower. But if they can, if the oil drop, the market stay calm, okay, then the gold is still going down. Okay, so that's for the gold, and for the the bond is, like we said, since many days, the bond is still have a side weakness here. So if the bond here they continue to test this level here, okay, so as long as it's still going down, they have the market going up. So, so right now, if the bond drop below here, they will continue to go lower, and everything is still bearish here. So, and then they reject it still bearish too. So, it look like the bond is continue to drop to test the low bound here. And if it drop below here, it go back here. Okay. So that's for the bond, and for the Bitcoin. The Bitcoin is still try to support at the retracement level here. So if they still able to hold it, okay, and then they could go up. But other than that, they are still low, high, low, low. The Bitcoin is still in the correction right now, as you can see on the shorter time frame. It's still low, high, low, low. Okay, but it's more diversion here. So if they take out this high, they will go higher. Another same thing like for shorter time frame. For the euro, I told you the euro is all the way up. Okay, so you can see that the practice thing. I think it resolved yesterday. So the market, the euro, that's a good news for euro. The euro tried to climb back up, and but the resistance here, the sales on here, waiting for them right here. Okay, so in the move here, so we can see that this one is continuing to move up. Okay, in the pattern high, 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 low. So the trend is still up, the market is still uptrend. And we already said that when they break out this level here, it's where they will shoot it back up. And then they take out the line yesterday at Roy here, the market will continue to go higher. And then will go up here. Okay? So that's for the euro. Okay, for the trader, we need to know if the market is reversal, the back below this level, then we watch out for more correction. If they hold up here, okay, on the ES, set on the ES, same thing. If they push it back up here, they have some resistance here, okay. So in order for them to go higher, okay, this one has to be hold up, okay, and then break out this level and continue to go higher. So the ES right now is the target somewhere around. If they break this white line here, they hit up to 5 way here. So that will get back to around 3010, 15, 19, this area, and then we watch out for the correction. As long as it's still high, 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 low, the market is still continue to go higher, unless they prove the other way around, and then we we will analyze in different way. But right now, stick with the uptrend and okay, buy the dip until they change direction. So, but remember, we're in the five way. So so anything can happen. So you have to be a little bit caution. Okay, they touch it, they drop. They touch it, they drop. So they have been doing that. Okay, sales on here. So let's see. We need some big momentum to here to push it back up in order to get into the zone and find more momentum to break out. Okay. Other than that, this one is still a major resistance area for most of the indices like SP 500, that. So we have to be more careful on the day trade. Okay. All right. So that's all we have for the all indices, and we will see you in the next